I'm going to talk through just a couple things that have been brought to my attention that people have trouble with sometimes. So 3 things here. Number 1, when I was embroidering this design, I was talking and I thought I was doing something like jumping from color to color, like going from color 1 to color 2, and then realized that instead of actually going to color 2, I had touched the arrow button. Watch what happens. You heard the machine move, and it took the whole design, and with the arrow to the right, it shifted the design to the right. So if I touched it again and again, I'm actually shifting the design. So I have pushed that a total of 3 times, and I need to return it. Touch that arrow to the other way 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and that way we can get it back in line. So if you ever accidentally touch the arrows while you're trying to go like stitch by stitch or color by color, make sure you kind of feel how many times you touched them and return your design so it's not off. Second, the other thing was that when finding the center of a design, so for example, we can go around the perimeter, or I should say, let me back up. When a design comes in, a lot of times the needle is just sitting like at its first stitch, which is not the center of the design. So you do want to go over to where you can check the design corner to corner and actually go around. You're going to touch it a total of 4 times to go all the way around all 4 corners, and then you're going to touch it a 5th time. See how that plus moves to the center of your design? You'll also notice that if you're in the Alt screen as well, you'll notice it will go there. Then move the design with the needles in the center. I can't move this much because the design is actually the size of this hoop, that's right. But this would be where now we would know where the exact center, and then we can move from there. The other thing that sometimes happens, and I'm going to just go ahead and go out of here and kind of go back to the beginning, where we would be looking at the USB stick. A couple things to note. Number 1, you must use the .vp3 format of the embroidery designs. So if you have a design that's not in that format, you can use Viking's free complimentary software that you can download from their website and convert, so you can convert from other formats to the VP3. So a lot of designs that were made many years ago, this format wasn't available then, so obviously that's why it wasn't saved this way, and you might need to actually go and convert it yourself. So that would be one thing. Also, if for any reason you notice that it doesn't come up in your list of designs, the one you're looking for, is possibly it is too big. The design itself is bigger than your largest hoop, and so then it just won't show up on your screen at all. So once again, you need to be within the 150 by 240 sewing area, and then it will show up on here. So if it doesn't show up, choose a smaller size or use software to size it. That might be something to look into for purchasing. Oh no, this comes with software, so never mind. Use your software to resize it, make sure it fits in the hoop, and then you'll be good to go. So definitely get that software that came with this machine installed, play with it, and have some fun. And I hope you have enjoyed learning all about the Husqvarna Viking Designer Jade 35.